Forgotten username recovery failed on Squirrel Fix. If your attempt to recover your Squirrel username keeps failing, you're not alone, and here's the surprising truth. In most cases, you don't actually need a username to log back in. Squirrel, like many modern finance apps, links your account directly to your registered email, making the process simpler once you know the right steps. Here's how to fix it. Open the Squirrel app or go to their official website. On the login page, tap Forgot Password or Can't Log In. Instead of looking for a username recovery option, enter your registered email address, the one you used when creating your account. Within a few minutes, you should receive an email with the recovery or login link. Click it, and you'll be directed back into your account securely. If you don't see the email, check your spam or junk folder. Still nothing? Try a different email. Sometimes users register with the work or secondary address without realizing it. Searching your inbox for past Squirrel emails, like deposit notifications or budgeting summaries, can also help identify which address is tied to your account. If you no longer have access to that email, contact Squirrel's customer support. Provide identifying details such as your full name, date of birth, or linked bank account. Once they verify your identity, they'll help restore your access. Most people get stuck because they're expecting to recover a username, but Squirrel's platform is built around email-based logins for simplicity and security. So if your forgotten username recovery failed, don't panic. Just use your registered email, follow the recovery steps, and you'll be back on track with your savings and budgeting goals in no time.